Science Project. Today we will learn liquid experiment. Assalamu alaikum children. Today we will make some fun with science experiment. It's amazing, right? I can't wait to show you. To show this experiment, you need a big glass, you need some paper clip, you need some vegetable oil, and you need some water mixed with red color, and you need some detergent. Usually we wash our clothes with it, and you need some honey. Let's start. First, let's start to see which one sinks or floats with these paper clips. Okay, let's see. The vegetable oil, it sinks. It sinks. Wipe it. And next, let's see the water with red color. It sinks as well. And now let's wipe it. Rub, rub, rub. Next, let's see the detergent which we wash our clothes with. Let me see. Oh, it sinks as well. Now let's wipe this. So wipe it. Now let's go to the sticky honey. See guys, the paper clip for the honey never sinks. Oops. The honey is very heavy. The paper clip it doesn't sink. You see children, the lighter one, it moves a lot, and the paper clip sinks, and the heavier one barely moves, and the paper clip doesn't sink. Now I will show you it doesn't mix as well. Now I will start with honey, and it's a very heavy liquid. Like that. Next, second, I'll start with the water with red. Third, I will start with the detergent. It's cool, right? Next, I'm gonna start with the vegetable oil. Oops. You see? See children, these four liquid don't mix together. That's because they are lighter and they are heavier. It's cool, right? Don't forget to try it at home. If you like it, comment down below. That's all for you like my video, please subscribe. And see you next time, inshallah. Be safe.